Hey lovies, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lydia Isaac. Thank you all for coming back. So if it's your first time of clicking on my video, I say hello. Thank you for coming. Hope you'll be a part of the family. You're so welcome. So guys, today I'm going to show you how I made this delicious Nigeria okra soup. So if you want to see how I made this delicacy, please do stay tuned and enjoy this recipe with me, okay? So today guys, I'm going to be using some okra. As you can see, I already sliced my okra. I have the video of how I slice or grate my okra. I'm going to be dropping it on the description box. So I have some chopped onion, I have some red palm oil, I also have some curry to season my meat, then I have some beef, fish, some tribes, crayfish, I have some cow skin, I have my already boiled stockfish, then I have this smoked catfish that I made myself. Guys, this smoked stockfish, like, it will give your okra soup another different taste, guys. I tell you the truth. So guys, I'm going to be dropping all the list of my ingredients I use on this recipe on the description box so you can check them out. So at this moment, I already washed all the beef and I'm going to put them in my pot. You can use any beef of your choice, but I would advise, if you can, try that smoked catfish, guys. Try it out and I bet you your okra soup is going to taste like you never ever expected it, okay? So at this moment, I just add some of my Maggi stock. I'm adding my chopped pepper and I'm adding my oil. So I'm going to let it boil for more time till my meat is properly cooked. As you can see, I used just a cup of water to boil my beef before now because it will make your beef to have a very nice taste. So at this moment, my beef is almost cooked, so I'm going to add more water to it and let cook till the beef is tender. So as you can see, it's properly cooked. I'm just going to add my okra. So I'm going to stir to see if it's too thick. So guys, if you want to see the video of how I grate the okra and the healthy benefits of okra, don't forget to check out the description box. I'm going to drop the link of the video. So at this moment, I'm adding more water to my okra. I'm adding warm, already boiled water to my okra to make it light. So you can add water to the consistency that you want. It all depends on you. So at this moment, I'm just going to add my smoked catfish and my fresh mackerel fish, and I'm going to make sure I push them underneath the soup so they can also get some of the nice flavor from the ingredients I used to prepare this delicious okra. So guys, at this moment, I'm going to leave my okra to cook for 8 minutes. Depends on how many quantity you're making. Mine is a lot. So I'm adding my grounded crayfish and I'm going to let it cook for 8 minutes, guys. After 8 minutes, I'm going to switch off my fire and let it cool down. So guys, if you notice, you see I didn't cover my okra. Though I know some people, they love to cover their okra while making okra soup, but for me, I don't like to cover my okra once I have already added to my beef. So guys, that's it. It's properly cooked. I bet you, I tell you guys, this okra is one of the best okra soup that I've ever made. I guess it's because of that smoked catfish, as I said earlier. Do try and add it to your okra soup and tell me if you notice a very nice good difference in your okra soup. Okay, so guys, I'm going to enjoy my nice and delicious okra soup with some nice oatmeal fufu. Yeah, as I said, I'm going to enjoy it with some nice oatmeal fufu, oatmeal pounded yam, guys. I'm going to show you the recipe of how to make your nice oatmeal fufu. You can see it over there. This fufu is very nice. This swallow is very nice, that it won't make you feel heavy, it won't make you feel dizzy. Like I tell you, if I eat pounded yam, I feel lazy all through the day, but with this oatmeal you will feel light and your body will be okay with you. So guys, if you love this recipe, you love my videos, you've been following me, you've not hit the red button, come on, show your girl love and be part of the family. Smash the red button, subscribe, hit the notification, and see you on my next video. Bye.